In this video, we will discuss how you can create bins in CODAP to group data, use bin data to create a histogram, and investigate group data in a two-way bin plot. We will be using a data set that includes nutritional data for a sample of 33 granola bars. If we create a dot plot of the numeric attribute sugar, we see that the data ranges from 1 gram to 16 grams of sugar. To bin the data, we can select the configuration menu from the right side of the graph and select Group into Bins. CODAP will automatically group the data points based on the values of your attribute. For example, this group represents all the values from 6 to 8 grams. The labels are shown in interval notation. The bracket indicates the values of 6 are included in this group, but the parenthesis indicates values of 8 are not included in this group. Values of 8 are included in the group to the right. 9 groups may be more than we need for this data set, so we can adjust the number of groups by changing the bin width. Bin width describes the difference between the extreme values of each bin. If we increase the bin width to 4 and hit enter, you'll see that now the bins are labeled 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, and so on. We can also adjust the alignment, which means we change the starting point for the first bin. For example, our data range from 1 to 16. By adjusting our alignment to 1 and hitting the enter key, we see the first group starts at 1. The result is only 4 bins, since 16 is now included in the highest group. Another option in the configuration menu allows us to fuse dots into bars. This option takes the existing bins and creates a histogram of the data. We can unselect this to return to the bin dot plot. There are several advantages to having group data as shown. We can use the measure menu to identify counts or percents for each bin. This tells us that 52% of the granola bars in our sample have from 5 grams up to, but not including 9 grams of sugar. CODAP also will create a two-way bin plot when a categorical variable is placed on the other axis. For example, we can add nuts to the vertical axis, and the result is a two-way bin plot. Percents are shown using the measure tool to find conditional relative frequencies, like 36%, which describes the percent of granola bars with nuts that have from 5 up to, but not including 9 grams of sugar.